Alright, let's get into some of the twinkle bulbs. Got a few burned out, it looks like, or they're loose in the socket. Got some that the color is fading on a little bit. I'll address those while I've got them here on the bench. These go on the front bushes, where along with the random sparkles. So I'll get these fixed back up and should be in good shape. Here are the sets that go on that Nandina bush on the north side of the property. Let's see what we got going on here. I did put some LED flashers in here a while back, so they'll start going immediately. Those blue ones, they look pretty good actually. So go through and check bulbs. Got a GE Twinkle Bright that's out. So I'll replace that with China. And we may have a socket out. These are GE sockets. Yeah, I just got to bend that tab back up, that's all. And that GE Twinkle Bright should be good. Of course, I have unplugged. Gently bent that tab back up. See if that fixed it. Did not. Well, isn't that something? Have to work on that. See what's going on with that one. Nothing appears broken. See if that did it. So we got a bad socket on this one. I'll test this bulb, Twinkle Bright bulb. It's a good bulb. Don't need to get rid of that. So I will troubleshoot that socket. Well, the decision is this is going to be a parts socket set. Typically I keep strands on hand, so I'm just going to populate this, and we'll have about 10 more light bulbs on that Nandina bush, which that'll be good. I got that light strand swapped out. That may be why I purchased that, because I knew that one socket was bad. So now I've got 10 more twinkle bulbs on this set of bulbs. Yep, it's 55 bulbs. So it's going to look good. I have a strand of 30 and a strand of 25. So very, very good. Happy with all these. I now have my GE Glow Bright bulbs. I found this one interesting. We had a Woolco store here where I live for about a couple years. 79 to 81 or something like that. Not very long, but I do remember that store. In particular, the Big W. Remember seeing that when I was a little kid.
A big, beautiful, brand new Woolco opens tomorrow.
336 Woolco stores will close across the country.
Let's get these bulbs swapped out. Need a white one and an orange one. Probably better to swap them out unplugged, but whatever. That one's good. As well as that one. So those are all set, ready for another season. These are end to end, so I think I can plug that other one in and look at them both at the same time. Fantastic. I think the Westinghouse bulbs have a better orange, but overall the rest of the colors are pretty neck and neck. But alright, time to move on to the next strand.